Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go. The 1984 £1 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II is a classic example of late 20th century British circulating coinage that combines historic symbolism, careful craftsmanship, and collecting interest. Its obverse carries the familiar right-facing portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, the fourth Jubilee, young head. Style used during that era depending on the exact portrait struck for circulation and proof issues, with the legend around the rim bearing the monarch's name and titles in abbreviated Latin, while the reverse typically shows a national or regional emblem. Many 1984 issues were struck with a design reflecting one of the United Kingdom's constituent nations or symbolic motifs, for example, floral emblems, shields, or a crowned lion, executed with fine relief and clear detail. The coin's physical specifications are important. Minted in cupro-nickel ore, for special presentation, proof strikes. In higher specification metals, it commonly measures about 22 to 23 m in diameter and weighs in the region of 9 to 10 grams. Exacts vary with the specific issue and whether it's an uncirculated or proof piece, and it carries a reeded or milled edge that both deters clipping and serves as a tactile hallmark of authenticity. Production quality from the Royal Mint in 1984 was high. Fields are generally smooth, with raised devices showing crisp lines, but circulated examples show the usual wear, flattened high points, bag marks, and toning from handling and environmental exposure. Collector interest in 1984 pounds hinges on a few factors: mintage figures and rarity of particular variants. Some regional or commemorative reverses had much smaller mintages. Condition and grading by an established service, e.g., MS or PF scales, dramatically affects value. Presence of any mint errors, double strikes, off-center strikes, planchette flaws, or die cracks significantly raise specialist interest, and whether the coin is a business strike or a proof presentation piece issued in a royal mint card or box. Authenticity checks should include weight and diameter measurement, visual inspection of edge and portrait detail, and comparison with trusted images or auction records. Beware of cleaning, which damages surfaces and reduces collector value, hard polishing, or chemical treatments that leave unnatural shine or hairline scratches. Storage advice: keep coins in inert holders, mylar flips, acid-free envelopes, or labeled capsules. Avoid PVC plastics. Store in stable, low humidity conditions away from direct sunlight to prevent toning or corrosion, and handle by the edges with cotton gloves where possible. For valuation, general circulated 1984 £1 coins often carry modest premiums above face value for common business strikes, while uncirculated or proof examples, error pieces, or low mintage variants command higher prices. Consult recent auction results or reputable dealers for current market pricing because values fluctuate with demand and condition. Finally, the 1984 £1 sits within the broader story of late 20th century British coinage, a period of evolving designs that celebrated national identity, commemorated events, and led into decimal currency maturity. So even if a specific specimen seems common, it has historical context and collecting pathways. Building a set by year, by reverse design, by mint state grade, or by documented error types are all satisfying directions for hobbyists and investors alike.